First, check the label that needs to be edited. Click New on the homepage of the Dlabel Cloud tab. Enter the label name. Set the width mm and height mm of the label paper according to the paper size. Click Confirm to create a new blank label. Use the rectangle of the graph to make the outer border. Select the lower left corner to adjust to the corresponding size. The radius of the rounded corners adjusts the radians of the four corners. Using the lines of a graph to create internal tables. Input x-axis coordinates to control the lateral position of the content in the label. Input y-axis coordinates to control the vertical position of the content in the label. The same content can be copied directly by pressing Ctrl+C and pasted by Ctrl+V. According to requirements, add text and enter the label content. After adding the content, modify the font size and then typeset. Select the barcode, enter the corresponding barcode number. You can choose the location of the barcode text or just hide it. To add a QR code, select the QR code system and enter the appropriate size. Accidentally deleted, you can use press Ctrl+C to undo. After adding the content, type it out, and press and hold Ctrl to select the content that needs to be adjusted. After adjusting the content, click Print in the top bar to enter the label preview interface. Select Connect to the printer. Enter number of prints, and click Print.